Hi, YouTube friends. This is your girl Cherie coming to you again with a quick video. And I just wanted to tell you guys, I won! Yes, I won this Weedad Curl Essential Travel Kit. And I won it on Curl Kit's Facebook. Yes, that's right. If you are a member of Curl Kit, if you subscribe to their monthly boxes, or even if you are maybe interested, I would recommend that you go and like their Facebook page because they do like sometimes weekly and bi-weekly giveaways. Well, in their last giveaway, I just went in and it's so easy to enter the giveaway. You just like their page, that's one entry. You follow them on Twitter, which is the second entry, and you tweet something about their giveaway, which is the third entry. I mean, that's simple. I mean, it's going to take you all of a minute to do all of that. But yes, I did all of that and I won. Y'all, I never win anything, especially off Facebook and none of these random giveaways. But hey, look, yes, I won. And this is a $25 travel kit, and it includes a Clear and Gentle Essential Daily Shampoo, Balancing Rinse Essential Daily Conditioner, Botanical Boost Conditioning and Refreshing Spray, and a Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel. And this is all travel size. Yes, yes, yes. And I won it on the Curl Kit Facebook page. Now, they currently have a giveaway going on for Curly Nikki's new book, and they're going to be giving away 10 books. So if you are interested in that book or just want to participate in the giveaway, hey, go on. And like I said, it's just 3 steps. Like the page, follow on Twitter, tweet about it. And with this book, I think, and if I'm not mistaken, with all of their other giveaways, but I only do it once, you can enter like multiple times. Like you can enter each day for a chance to enter. So you can have your name in there more than 3 times. But me, I just did it once and hey, I won. So goes to show you don't have to enter every day to win. But of course, the more times you enter, of course, you heighten your chance to win. But yes, I know I'm excited. I won. I never win and I won. So yeah. I know. I just want to come and let y'all know that I won. And if you want a chance to win something from Curl Kit, go to their page and I'll leave the information down below. Also, if you are not a member of the Curl Kit subscription box and you want to join or subscribe, I'm going to leave a code down below where you can save 10% off your first box. So, as always, thank you so much for watching and y'all have a great day. Thank you.